Cheek idioms. British.com. Turn the other cheek.
If you can ignore someone's abuse or insults against you, you turn the other cheek. Sometimes the best way to diffuse a situation is to turn the other cheek. Note, this is an idiom taken from the Bible, but whosoever shall smite thee on thy right cheek, turn to him the other also. Matthew 5:39.
Tongue-in-cheek.
When you say or do something that seems to be serious but is actually humorous, it's tongue-in-cheek. Brian got really angry with Mark over his comments, until they realized they were tongue-in-cheek.
Cheek by jowl.
Cheek by jowl means very close together, or side by side.
In many Spanish cities, businesses and housing are cheek by jowl. Note, the jowl is another word for the cheek. Chest idioms. British.com. Get something off your chest.
To confess something, say how you feel, or express your criticism of something or someone, is to get it off your chest.
I was getting fed up with her selfish and thoughtless behavior, and I had to get it off my chest and tell her how I felt. Keep something close to your chest. When you keep something close to your chest, you keep your intentions, plans, or tactics secret and confidential.
When everything is finalized, I'll tell you.
But in the meantime, I have to keep things close to my chest. Chin idioms. British.com. Take it on the chin. When you are brave enough to avoid complaining about bad things which have happened to you, you take it on the chin. Sacked for incompetence, he took it on the chin. Note, this is an allusion to the ability of a boxer to take a punch without falling.
Keep your chin up. When someone has to overcome some difficulties, particularly emotional ones, we can encourage them by telling them to keep their chin up. I know it's not an easy time, but you just have to keep your chin up.